All right, you guys, so right now we are going to melt the butter and oil, sprinkle a little, colors, shadazz on there. Wait for that to melt down. Let's check on our chicken. Smells really, really good. Perfect. Yeah, gravy. So we're just gonna go ahead and turn this on low. I'm just dropping forks and stuff everywhere. And what we're going to do now, because my daughter's hungry, I just picked her up from practice, we are going to add some noodles. Now again, you can't cook this dish normally with rice. I'm multitasking. You can do this with rice, but I'm trying to do it with noodles because my kids like noodles. I like noodles, and I'm pretty sure they're burnt out on rice. We're just gonna let that just saute and marinate in there. Loosen up these noodles a little bit. It kind of got cold when I left the house. We're just gonna let that just sit in there and do its thing now. It's all loosened up. I'm gonna put the top on it. Perfect. Okay, so what we're gonna do is go ahead and make the plates. So because my children don't like washing dishes, we're gonna use paper plates on this. And while that's doing its thing, it's already. And again, I have my stove set on 7, so that's like medium high. Perfect. I'm gonna turn that off. I'm gonna put the top on this and let it finish doing its thing. And let's get ready to make plates. All right, so we're just gonna grab just a little bit of noodles. Make sure that that's not trying to stick. We're gonna move it over here and get some chicken. Now this chicken has been cooking in the crock pot for about 7 hours. Put a little bit of juice in there with some vegetables. And this is how you make the bougie version of Southern style chicken with noodles. I hope you guys enjoy it. Thank you so much for tuning in. I'm about to smash my plate. Have a great day.